So beautiful, she is strong. She is strong. Oh yeah, yeah. She is powerful, sophisticated and confident. So strong.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So if you're new here guys, I'm Ophelia and today I'll be showing you how it is I do my twist out on my freshly washed natural hair. The products I'll be using today are from the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. So I'll be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. You can see it right there. And also we'll be using what's left of the breakage leave-in conditioner. So I need to replace this bottle now as it's running low, but I'll be using it for today. So guys, we'll get into the twist out process. So I normally do my twist out on freshly washed hair but wet, but for today I'll be doing it on my almost dry hair. So So guys, so this is the look for the end of this stage, the twisting process. As I said before, this is the first time I'm actually trying to twist out on dry hair. So I'm really liking how it's feeling so far. It's very moist, very moist. So to go to bed tonight, I'll definitely just be putting it away in a silk scarf to keep the moisture, and then I'll definitely show you guys what it looks like when I'm unraveling. But I am pleased thus far, guys. You can you see that I am pleased with the look thus far, and definitely looking forward to this twist out. So guys, just stay tuned, there's more to come. So guys, it's actually been 2 days since I did the twist. I know I did say I'd come back the other day, but on the other day we had rain, and this morning I had some errands to run, so I just went ahead to go out with my twists because I've been loving them. So now I'm actually going to go ahead to unravel them. They're completely dry, so I'll just be using my olive oil to moisturize my hands to help with the raveling, and we'll get right into it. So guys, I've completed unraveling all the twists. You can look at them. If you see any, you can let me know. But I think I did do a detailed search to ensure that I hadn't missed any. So what I'll do next, I'm not the type of person who actually will do a double unravel. So you know, some persons, once they pull it like this, they'll just go ahead to pull another one. But I don't do that so early in my twist out. Maybe close to when it's getting, what we'd say, stale. I'll do that. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead with my white heat comb to lift my edges, you know, to give it some more body, some more rise, some more lift. Just going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to be looking in my mirror that I have on the side here to do that. So I'm just lifting it on the edges. So guys, this is the final look. I'm definitely loving how this is looking, how it's feeling. My hair is very defined. You can look very defined, guys. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. Even though with some other products I might get more stretch with my hair, it's less likely to shrink. I don't mind the shrinkage for this product because the definition is on point, very much on point. So now when I'm going out, I would definitely be just touching up my edges with some edge control. But right now, you know, I'm really not the edge control kind of girl, so I won't be doing that for tonight. But yes, loving it so far. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you like this, if you like my twist out, if you have ever tried the twisting cream from the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line, how it has been for your hair. I think my hair is a mixture of 4B and C, and this has been one of my best twist outs in terms of definition. So I'll definitely be trying this again. So guys, if you're now at the end of the video and you're not yet a part of the Naturally Told family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So the next time I post, you'll be notified and you can come over and enjoy and learn from my videos. As well as, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And of course, let's chit chat below what you think about the style and if you'll be giving it a try. And also, if there's any other product you'd like to recommend that I try a twist out or a braid out with, you can let me know and I'll definitely look into doing that for you. So until next time guys, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally.
Walk out your majesty, dressed in your bride.